Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today we're going to be talking about something super important, smelling absolutely amazing. We all know how crucial it is to feel fresh and confident throughout the day. Like, you know when you walk into a room and everyone's just like, oh my god, who smells so good? It's such a confidence booster, right? Yeah, that's going to be you after this video, sis. Imagine walking into any room and instantly turning heads because you smell so divine. And the best part? You don't need to spend $1 million to make it happen. There are so many affordable options out there that can keep you smelling fresh all day long. We're doing this on a budget, honey. You can smell like $1 million without actually spending it. Trust me, I've got all the tips and tricks. So buckle up, because I'm about to spill all the tea on how to smell good all day long. From choosing the right products to some secret hacks, I've got you covered. Let's get started. All right, so first things first, the shower. It's the ultimate way to start your day or unwind after a long one. The moment you step into that steamy haven, it's like all your worries just melt away. It all starts here, babes. The warm water cascading down your body, the steam enveloping you, it's pure bliss. It's not just about getting clean, it's about rejuvenating your mind and body. You gotta lay down that foundation of freshness, okay? This is where you set the tone for the rest of your day. A good lather with the right body wash can make all the difference. And the key is finding a body wash that's not only affordable, but also leaves you smelling like a dream. You want something that feels luxurious, but doesn't break the bank. One of my personal faves is the Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash. It's a game changer, trust me. The texture is so rich and creamy, it feels like you're pampering yourself every time you use it. It's super creamy, gets you so clean, and leaves your skin feeling super soft and hydrated, not to mention smelling subtly amazing. It's like a mini spa experience every morning. Like, it's not overpowering, but it's definitely there, you know? That subtle, fresh scent that lingers just enough to make you feel confident and refreshed all day long. And for the price, you seriously can't beat it. It's affordable luxury at its finest. So go ahead, treat yourself to a little shower power, and start your day off right. Okay, so you've stepped out of the shower, you're feeling fresh, but we're not done yet. Now it's time to lock in that moisture and add another layer of deliciousness with some lotion. This is like the secret sauce, you guys. And again, you don't need to spend a fortune. I'm obsessed with the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It's super gentle, absorbs quickly, and leaves your skin feeling like literal butter. Plus, it has this light, clean scent that's just so addictive. I literally get compliments on it all the time. Chapter 3. You are what you eat. Okay, so this next tip might sound a little weird, but trust me on this. What you eat can actually affect how you smell. Yes, you heard that right. The foods you consume can have a direct impact on your body odor. It's not just about brushing your teeth or using deodorant. Your diet plays a crucial role too. Like, did you know that eating a lot of processed foods can actually make you smell kinda, well, not so fresh? Processed foods are often loaded with artificial ingredients, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that can lead to unpleasant body odors. These foods can cause your body to produce more sweat and oils, which can mix with bacteria on your skin and create a less than pleasant smell. Yeah, it's true. So if you want to smell your absolute best, try incorporating more fruits and veggies into your diet, especially citrus fruits like oranges and lemons. These fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that can help improve your overall health. Citrus fruits are known for their high vitamin C content, which can boost your immune system and help your body fight off infections. They're full of antioxidants and vitamins that can help detoxify your body from the inside out, which in turn can make you smell amazing. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and promoting healthy skin. When your body is free from toxins, it functions more efficiently, and this can reflect in how you smell. Also, don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day to flush out any toxins. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining good health and can also help keep your skin clear and your body odor in check. Water helps your body eliminate waste products and toxins through urine and sweat, keeping your system clean and fresh. So make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated and smell your best. And there you have it, folks. 3 simple steps to smelling amazing all day on a budget. Remember, smelling good doesn't have to be expensive. It's all about finding products that work for you and making smart choices. And don't forget to have fun with it. Experiment with different scents and find what makes you feel confident and beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.